Alright, so we pick up Judge Renia Celson.
Good evening po sa But for now, question ko. For now, we are facing a lot of environmental issues and challenges. So as a youth, in your own simple way, what you are going to do in order to create a great impact in our environment? In English mo, ay kayo na to. Kaya ang question, bigyan mo in English sa akin. In English mo na lang. Luwatan ko, binasayaan ko lang. Sige. Sa talag, bali, we are facing a lot of issues and challenges about our environment. So as a youth, bilang in your own simple way, ano ang hinuon mo to create a great impact in our environment? Kasi hindi ako sa titik.
Bilang sa bata, meron natin yung sinasabi ng dalawang at susundin na po lang.
Sige, go.
Hindi tayo yung kumakawa ng ating mga
Alright, so thank you so much.